Deals! Every so often you come upon a deal which you weren't looking for and which you can't resist. Case in point, these 72 interlocking stackable out-of-drawer units by Integrated Plastics, $20. I looked it up online and this company went out of business nearly 20 years ago, so I can't say how much these are worth, but I'm guessing at least 10 times what I paid for it. But I don't have the drawers. What I do have though, this. A 3D printer. So I measured the interior space in the out-of-drawer units, width, height, and depth, logged into Tinkercad, sliced it, and each print came out to 7 hours, 55 minutes by printing it in 2 halves on an Ender 3. So I tried using an old cantankerous Microbot replicator to create these drawers as one single print. This is bullshit. Next, I took the world's smallest memory card and inserted it into the world's smallest card slot with the world's clumsiest thumbs to finally print it as 2 halves on the Ender 3. So while this little guy here is printing away those 72 drawers at 8 hours each, I'll start preparing room for this. Goodbye, karaoke screen. Buddy. Sleep. Here. That works. Oh, also, I spray painted this side black and a bit of the front because it was brown and it didn't really fit the color scheme of my workshop.
7 hours, 50 minutes, 47 seconds later.
Yeah. All right. Well, we can also start a new one right away.
The 2 halves needed a bit of adjusting to fit them correctly, like removing the support under the flap, and then a bit of cyanoacrylate did a fine job of sticking those 2 parts.
One. Perfect. Good night, little banana. Everything in its right place.